My dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Fazl Rabbi. Welcome you all to the online class program of Afazuddin Memorial College. My today's class is for class 12. Topic: fill in the blanks with clues. Today I have come before you with part 3 on this topic. First, we will solve the question of Sylhet Board 2017. Let's first know the meaning of the words given in the box and the parts of speech of the words. Cheat, noun or verb. As noun, its meaning is protarok. As verb, its meaning is protarona kora. Make, ভার্ব তৈরি করা, টেল বলা, ভার্ব, ফেস as noun its meaning is মুখমণ্ডল and as verb its meaning is সম্মুখীন হওয়া, স্টোরি গল্প, noun, care noun and verb. As noun its meaning is যত্ন and as verb its meaning is যত্ন নেয়া. Completely adverb সম্পূর্ণরূপে. ম্যাটার ঘটনা বা ব্যাপার, ইটস এ নাউন. থিঙ্ক ভার্ব চিন্তা করা. প্রমিস ভার্ব ওয়াদা করা. রেস্কিউ ভার্ব উদ্ধার করা. ট্রিট ভার্ব আচরণ করা. Keeping promise given to anyone is a must, though it takes much perseverance to keep promise honestly. Since keeping promise is a dash of remembrance, we should be dash whenever we make promises. Since keeping promise is a dash of remembrance. After a, we do not find noun, so the gap is for noun, and before preposition of we have to use noun, so the gap is for noun. Since keeping promise is a dash of remembrance, a matter of remembrance, we should be dash whenever we make promises. We should be, after be you can use adjective, we should be make care adjective. We should be careful whenever we make promises. While dash an unavoidable danger, people usually dash any promises only to be dash from the situation without perfect dash. After while, if verb comes, it comes as gerund, so use gerundial form of a word here. While dash an avoidable danger, use face here using ing after it. While facing an unavoidable danger, people usually dash any promise. People subject usually adverb, you need verb here. People usually make any promise only to be dash from the situation without perfect dash. To be, after to be you may use V3 form. Any promise only to be rescued from the situation without perfect dash. Perfect is an adjective, after it use a noun. Perfect thinking, here think, after it use ing and make it a gerund, so without perfect thinking, because the gap is for noun. After being rescued, most people dash forget the promises given. Most people subject forget verb. So between subject and verb you need to use adverb. After being rescued, most people completely forget the promises given. A dash about the Pied Piper of Germany dash how the piper was deliberately dashed by the mayor, who has made promises to give Piper 1,000 guilders for his work. A dash after the Pied Piper. After a we don't find noun, so the gap is for noun. A story about the Pied Piper of Germany dash from A to Germany is subject phrase, and here you need to use verb. A story about the Pied Piper of Germany tells how the piper was deliberately cheated by the mayor. The sentence is passive, so use V3 after was, is, am, etc. So here cheated will be used by the mayor who has made promises to give Piper 1000 guilders for his work. You will find the answer on the next page. Now, Borishal Board 2017. Let's know the meaning and parts of speech of the words given in the box. All adjective, সব, follow verb অনুসরণ করা, necessary adjective প্রয়োজনীয়, answer noun উত্তর, verb উত্তর দেয়া, budget noun বরাদ্দ, have verb আছে বা থাকা, use as a verb its meaning ব্যবহার করা, as a noun its meaning ব্যবহার, throw প্রিপোজিশন মধ্য দিয়ে, রাইজ উদিত হওয়া ভার্ব, কেয়ারফুল অ্যাডজেক্টিভ যত্নশীল, বিগিনস ভার্ব শুরু করা, কেয়ারফুলি অ্যাডভার্ব যত্ন সহকারে। Students should be strategic about their examination. It is dash for an examinee to dash some instructions. After to be verb, you may use adjective. Use appropriate adjective from the box. It is dash for an examinee. It is necessary for an examinee to dash some instructions. To plus verb base will make infinitive. To follow some instructions. He should go dash the whole question before he dash to write. Here you'll have to use a group verb, go through, that means read. He should go through the whole question before he dash to write. Subject use verb, third person singular number, add extra s or es after the verb before he begins to write. Here begin is already with s. He must make a dash for his time so that he can dash enough time to answer dash question. He must make a dash of his time. Here after a we don't find noun, so the gap is for noun, and before of we can use noun. He must make a dash of time, a budget of his time, so that he can, after can use verb base, he can dash have enough time to answer dash questions. Before noun use adjective, answer all questions. He must write his answer dash. Subject, modals, verb, object, and the gap is for adverb. He must write his answer carefully. He should be dash about his handwriting. After be use adjective. He should be careful about his handwriting. He can dash double spacing if his writing is tiny or very large. After modals use verb base. He can use double spacing if his handwriting is tiny or very large. You will find the answer on the next page. Now Chittagong Board 2017. Here Chittagong is written, but you know the name and spelling of Chittagong has been reformed, has been renamed, and it will be Chattogram now. However, let's know the meaning and parts of speech of the words. Victorious adjective, বিজয়ী, independence noun, স্বাধীনতা, চ্যাম্পিয়ন নাউন রক্ষক, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ সেরা, সারেন্ডার ভার্ব আত্মসমর্পণ করা, রিক্যাপিচুলেট ভার্ব পুনরাবৃত্তি করা, অপারেশন নাউন অত্যাচার, টেক ভার্ব নেয়া, হিস্টোরিক্যাল অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ঐতিহাসিক, বার্থ নাউন জন্ম, ডিভিশন নাউন বিভাগ বিভক্তি, অ্যাটাক ভার্ব আক্রমণ করা, সিগনিফিক্যান্ট অ্যাডজেক্টিভ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। The most dash event for Bangladesh is her dash, as here you find and, but it will not be and, it will be an, as an dash nation on March 26, 1971. After most, you'll have to use adjective, and the most has made the adjective superlative form. The most dash event for Bangladesh. Choose the appropriate adjective from the box. The most significant event for Bangladesh is her dash. After possessive case, use noun. Is her birth as an dash nation. Nation is noun, use adjective before it. As an independent nation. You can't use independence because the gap is for adjective. So make independence adjective first, then use in the gap. On March 26, 1971. It is a red letter day in the dash of Bangladesh. The gap of, in this gap, a noun is a must. So use appropriate noun from the box. Historical will not do here. You will have to use the noun form of historical. It is a red letter day in the history of Bangladesh. After the dash of subcontinent, here you will have to use noun. After the division of subcontinent, we got Pakistan. But the Pakistanis began to dash our people. Use verb base here to oppress our people. At first they dash our language. Here you need to use past form of verb. At first they attacked our language. We shall never forget the language movement of 1952. The language movement led to the mass upsurge of 1969. As a result, the War of Liberation dash place in 1971. Group verb took place in 1971. After 9 months struggle, the Pakistanis were compelled to dash and we own dash. 2 plus verb base will make infinitive. Compelled to surrender and we own subject verb use object. Use noun as object. We own victory. You can't use victorious here. You will have to use the noun form of victorious here. We own victory. You will get the answer on the next page. Now, Dinajpur Board 2017. Who, relative pronoun, able, adjective, সামর্থ্যবান, হেলথ নাউন স্বাস্থ্য, এবিলিটি নাউন সামর্থ্য, চয়েস নাউন পছন্দ, ইম্পর্টেন্স নাউন গুরুত্ব, বি it may be am is are was were or it may be used as main verb, face noun মুখমণ্ডল ভার সম্মুখীন হওয়া, ডেভেলপ ভার উন্নত করা, হুইচ রিলেটিভ প্রোনাউন, ইনেবল ভার সামর্থ্যবান করে তোলা, নো ভার জানা। Education is one of the basic needs of a human being. It is dash for the dash of mind. It is use adjective here after to be verb. It is important, can't use importance. The gap is for adjective. Make importance adjective first. It is important for the dash of mind. In this gap, before you have learned, in this gap you will have to use noun for the development of mind. You can't use develop here. Make develop noun first. Many illiterate people do not have any dash of health. Any as a quantifier, use noun here, and before of you will have to use noun also. Many illiterate people do not have any dash, so you can't use no here. Use noun form of no, and it is knowledge. Many illiterate people do not have any knowledge of health. If they dash educated, subject use verb. If they are educated, they could live a dash and planned life. Here notice after and an adjective has been used, so before and another adjective will be used, so use an adjective here. They could live a dash and planned life, so make health adjective. Live a healthy and planned life. Education teaches us how to live well. If dash us to make the right dash in life. Here you find if, but it is not if, it will be it. It dash us to make the right dash in life. Subject it, so use verb, third person singular number, add s or es after the verb. It dash us to make the right dash in life. It enables us to make the right choice in life. It enhances our dash to perform our duties properly and dash our everyday problems. It enhances our dash. After possessive case, use noun. Our ability to perform our duties properly and dash our everyday problems and face our everyday problems. Here the presence of to you'll have to feel. In fact, it is education dash brings positive changes in our mind, in our life. Here you'll have to use a relative pronoun to represent education. So what is the relative pronoun? It is which. You can't use who here because who is used for persons. In fact, it is education which brings positive changes in our life. You will get the answer on the next page. Dear students, keep trying at home. Don't waste your time. In my next class, I will come with filling the blanks without clues. Till then, Allah Hafiz.